In early 1990s Northern Ireland, the dream of becoming a big wave surfer seemed a far-fetched one to everyone but me. Mesmerised by the big wave surfers of Mavericks in California, I proclaimed I want to do that one day. I spent my teenage years immersed in surf magazines and VHS tapes, studying and obsessing over every minute detail I could glean before I eventually turned my dream into a reality. I've since written a kid's book about it. It's called Rise, and I hope to inspire other young kids to follow their unusual dreams.